In a major development, the Supreme Court has ordered a stay on all further proceedings against direct selling company QNet and its franchisee Vihaan Direct Selling Private Limited Vihaan. It fundamentally also granted bail to its Indian shareholders Michael Ferreira and Malckolm Desai. QNet, which has been under investigation since 2013, views this with positivity thereby. The order comes at a timely moment given the backdrop of the model direct selling guidelines issued by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs for proper functioning of direct selling companies in India. In an interim order, a two-judge bench comprising Mr. Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghose and Mr. Justice Rohinton Fali Nariman categorically stayed all furs against the business of QNet in India. The Supreme Court has also stayed further proceedings in all 19 furs against the company across India. As per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, the furs are being stayed on the grounds mentioned in the writ petition. The petition explains that the business model followed by Vihaan Direct Selling India Private Limited is not a money circulation scheme as alleged and does not fall under the purview of the Prize Chits and Money Circulation Banning Act 1978. The petition further states that the business of Vihaan is compliant with all legal requirements of conducting business in India. After 6 long months, especially for the individuals needing bail, the Supreme Court unequivocally granted bail to the shareholders of Vihaan, Michael Ferreira and Malckolm Desai, who had surrendered before authorities in September 2016 for custodial enquiry. The investigation into QNet and Vihaan arises from a misconceived complaint filed by self-proclaimed activist, Gurupreet Singh Anand in August 2013. Anand had alleged that his wife had purchased a product and had been cheated by representatives of the company. Records from the company prove that Anand's wife Parmeet Kaur had placed an order for an online education product valued at 30,000 rupees but had cancelled the payment before the order was processed, and hence no commercial transaction ever took place between her and QNet. Thereafter, multiple baseless allegations were made against QNet's products and its business model. Commenting on the development, Raj Vasudevan, chief legal officer of QNet, said, "This order is a vindication we have been seeking for more than 3 long years. It has come at a very apt time when the government is trying to instill confidence in this industry with the introduction of the model direct selling guidelines." The order from the Supreme Court comes soon after the Honorable High Court of Karnataka had allowed quashing of the charge sheet filed by the CID in Bangalore. It may be noted that the Honorable Justice Anandbhaira Reddy has categorically stated that QNet is not a Ponzi scheme and the company does legitimate business in his detailed order. Also to be noted that the Honorable High Court of Telangana and AP had stayed all proceedings against the company in late 2016. Karnataka High Court quashed a similar fur and charge sheet against QNet last month, stating that multi-level marketing does not constitute offences under the Prize Chits and Money Circulation Schemes Banning Act, or the charge of cheating under the IPC. In October last year, the Hyderabad High Court had granted a similar relief to the directors and shareholders of Vihaan Direct Selling Private Limited, and stayed all proceedings against the company in the state. QNet has fully cooperated with the investigation and has submitted more than 50,000 pages of documents in the course of the last 3 years to the relevant authorities to prove its legitimacy. The company reiterates that it runs a legitimate direct selling business and promotes a wide range of high-quality, innovative health, wellness and lifestyle products through its proprietary e-commerce platform. QNet is also a staunch advocate of ethical marketing practices in network marketing and is committed to the sustainable development of the industry in India. The order comes at a crucial juncture and endorses these elements for the present. About QNet. QNet, a prominent Asian direct selling company, provides a wide range of life-enhancing and luxury products that are offered through its proprietary e-commerce platform to customers and distributors in more than 100 countries. The company also has over 25 offices and agencies worldwide, and more than 50 stockists, apart from localized operations or franchisees in a number of countries. Established in Hong Kong in 1998, QNet is a member of the direct selling associations in Malaysia, Singapore, the Philippines, and Indonesia. QNet is also a member of the Hong Kong Health Food Association and the Health Supplements Industry Association of Singapore, among others. QNet is active in sports sponsorships around the world, including football, badminton and more, due to the company's strong belief that the drive, passion, and teamwork of sports mirror those of QNet. QNet recently signed a new and exciting partnership with Manchester City Football Club (MCFC) as its official direct selling partner for 3 years. For more information, please visit the QNet website at www.qnet.net.